Ayan, yan po yung gold. 22 carats, 21 carats. Wow! Sana all. Ayun. Ayan sa taas.
Nandiyan na siya. Spray ka niya.
Guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa jewelry section for the golds. Bro, what is the name of the shop?
Pagkaya hindi.
Pagkaya hindi. Ito yung shop nila. Tapos ang gold pala ngayon is mahal. 17 per carat, right? 17. Then 1 gram is 17 kilo. 22 carats. Yan, ang mahal ang gold na yun. Oh, very expensive gold. Ayan guys, yung gold na yun. 1 gram is 17 kilo. Mahal ang gold. Ayan. Pero kahit mahal yung gold, pwede pa rin kayong bumili kasi maganda nito guys for investment. Ayan yung mga gold. Ayan guys, paharap po sa inyo. 18 carats, right? Yes, yan guys, yan po yung 18 carats na necklace. 18 carats. 18 carats. My friend, this is for woman down, right? Yan guys, pampabahe yan. 18 carats. 18 carats. And this one is 22 carats.
How much? Halika, sandali.
Sandali. Ayan. How many carats that one, bro? My friend, how many carats?
22.
22 carats.
22, 20, 18, 20.
That one.
20 yung ano. How many? If you want, I will give you 130. 130. Wow! 18 karat to. This is mabigat, 18 karat. Solid na lang.
18? Pag 18, okay.
How much that one now? That one?
Never right. Everything mabigat, never putol. This one 21 is strong Yes.
Pero mabilis lang yan siya bago matuto.
Iba timbang, iba pera. Ito is heavy, that one timbang.
But the grams now, it's very expensive, right? 17.
Depends on
Per carat.
17. What you like?
How much you want?
Gold patas that next time you come my dear, you have pair I think gold. Investment. Gold never lose. Next time you bring money. Yes, what you like?
Even
All taste different. Somebody like that design, somebody like like that. All men people are different.
My model. How are you, bro?
I'm fine. How are you, Kuya?
I am good.
Jordan, Air Jordan.
Daming
Half
gold.
moon, half moon.
Mahal na mahal ang gold. mahal.
Ano? Andito kami sa may alahasan.
Ay, kuya.
How are you? Kamusta?
Mahal ang gold mo, kuya.
Eh, come back here. Mura dito.
Mahal yan, mahal.
Eh, mahal kita.
Ayan, ayan. That one 22 carats, right?
Yeah, 22 karat.
Carats. That one was nice.
Eh, Pugi.
Hi,
Halika.
how are you?
Halika, 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 halika.
Hi, sir. He's a good salesman.
Hindi mo, hindi mo.